Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Culturelle Probiotic Baby. Begin by confirming your baby's age and pediatrician approval, then check the product form you have, powder or capsule. Always use the exact packet dose, mix with cool or room temperature breast milk or formula, and avoid hot liquids. Observe for any reactions and keep a dosing log for a week. If concerns arise, pause use and call your provider. When selecting a form of Culturelle Probiotic Baby, pick what fits your routine and feeding method. For infants, powder packets make mixing straightforward and accurate, while capsules provide an alternative if you can open them safely. Always use the full recommended dose and mix with cool or room temperature liquids only, never heat. Keep an eye on storage instructions and expiration dates to ensure live cultures remain effective for your baby. Follow dosing precisely to help ensure consistent benefits for your infant's digestive health. Give the full packet or contents of 1 capsule per dose, mixed into a small amount of breast milk or formula, so the baby receives the full probiotic amount. If your baby spits up a lot, try again with a fresh dose within a reasonable window. Keep dosing at regular times each day and log doses to track consistency and effects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.